Business Success Mantra is a consultancy firm which helps to business owners to improvise their net profit up to 3x by autopiloting their business, by automate their business, by sales and marketing strategies implementation, as well as effective cost reduction techniques.
Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of FaceTime with Leaders, a podcast by the Directors Institute, World Council of Directors. I'm Sunny Panchuri, and today we are about to dive deep into the mind of a trailblazer who has not only been at the forefront of business development, but also successfully navigated the intricate world of manufacturing and industrial excellence. Today's guest is someone who has seamlessly blended the technical expertise of chemical engineering with strategic business development and management consultancy. His innovative approach has made him a respected figure, not just as the founder and director of Business Success Mantra, but as a sort of a coach and author, having written books that have impacted industries far and wide. He has been instrumental in guiding manufacturing companies to achieve operational excellence and has even created specialized tools and systems to boost efficiency. So, what makes this leader tick? How did he combine his passion for chemical engineering with his drive to revolutionize businesses across India? And how does he see the future of industrial transformation unfolding? We are about to find out. So please welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, Mr. Nihal N. Attar.
Thank you. Thank you, Sunny. Thanks for this honor and this platform. Okay.
Great to hear that. So, Mr. Attar, it's an absolute pleasure to have you with us today on FaceTime with Leaders. And to kick things off, I would love to hear your story from being a young enthusiast to now leading Business Success Mantra. Obviously, you have certainly made an incredible impact in the business development world. So, could you take us back to the beginning and share with us some of the key moments in your journey that shaped your career and how you have grown from those early days to a remarkable professional you are today? Yeah.
Good morning, Sunny. First of all, thanks to you because you provide me this platform. Actually, Sunny, if I want to explain my whole journey within a one sentence, then this sentence is a continuous learning and transformation. Actually, I am started my career as a chemical engineer, but I'm very much interested in problem solving and efficiency optimization. That's my major interest. With the years of experience, I realized that technical expertise is a very important, but actual impact comes from strategic planning and business automation. One of the pivotal moment when I already helped one a mid-sized manufacturing company. There is a so much production issues and operation ineffectiveness. That's why we help them for operation optimization. There we introduce AI automation. We set their AI automation and introducing lean management tools and techniques there. With this implementation, they got very positive results and improvising its operation efficiency up to 30%. And that's a mind-changing game for me. Because of that time, I realized that this is my major strength. And I am a bridge in between these technical expertise and business strategies. And this leads me for forming Business Success Mantra business consultancy firm. That's it.
It's incredible to hear how your journey evolved from those early days to founding of Business Success Mantra. Starting your own consultancy is obviously a very bold step. And I'm sure it wasn't just creating a business, it was about creating a vision, right?
Yes, definitely.
So, Mr. Nihal, can you share with us what truly inspired you to take that leap and how your extensive experience in the industrial sector shaped the business model you have built today? I'm sure there is a powerful story behind this too.
Yes, actually, Sunny, my father is always told me that one sentence. Inspiration is always comes from realization, and realization comes from your real experience. I have industrial experience. That's why realization is comes around me. And this realization, due to this realization, I am expecting that lot of companies, most of these struggles with growth because of not they have a lack of field knowledge, but also they struggle due to it has a no proper business structure as well as not effective strategic planning. Today, lot of businesses are failed because of lack of automation. Second thing, lack of proper strategic plannings. And secondly, very important, not database decisions. Business Success Mantra is a consultancy firm which helps to business owners to improvise their net profit up to 3x by autopiloting their business, by automate their business, by sales and marketing strategies implementation, as well as effective cost reduction techniques. Secondly, we teach to not only team owners, but also we teach to team members also. We help handholding for implementing these AI automation in their systems. We help them for implementation as well as controlling and developing. That's why business success mantra is a famous nowadays.
Amazing and incredible too. It's really, really incredible to hear how your experiences have shaped not just your business, but your approach to helping others also. Great. So moving ahead, Mr. Nihal, your work focuses on business automation, cost reduction, and strategic management, which are all such critical areas for any organizations looking to stay competitive in today's fast-paced world. So could you share a specific example where these elements came together and truly transformed a client's business operations, perhaps even
Yes,
turning around a challenge they were facing into a success story?
actually, Sunny, there are the lot of examples in my mind because of do uh one second.
Yeah.
Actually, Sunny, there are the lot of examples which I want to share with you. But there are the very fresh example. When I work with one of the textile industry, name is a Bhagwati Industry. They struggle with lot of with these ineffective operations as well as high wastage rate. Actually, whenever we measure its capacity, that time we realize that company only runs with 50% capacity and 9% wastages. These are the disaster. Actually, these are the very high rate for any manufacturing industries. We implement their lean manufacturing tools techniques. We automate their operations with AI automation, as well as we implementing department-wise system and centralized dashboard, which helps management to take a database decisions, as well as we start to tracking real time-based KPIs, which helps to controlling performance of each department. That's why we grow up to uh, we save we increase 40% production capacity and reduce 25% of wastages. Okay. And also this company are the save annually 3 crore rupees. Due to this, not company save itself, but also make a market leader, made a market leader.
Okay. So, Mr. Nihal, it sounds like the impact was not only substantial, but also very rewarding for both you and your client. Great, great, great. Moving ahead, in your experience as a business consultant, Mr. Nihal, you have likely seen many companies go through their operational processes. So, what would you say is the most common mistake that organizations make when it comes to their operations? And how do you step in to help them turn things around? I'm sure it must be a challenging yet rewarding experience to guide them through those pivotal moments. So, can you please share it with us?
Yes, actually, there is some points. Majorly, I'm thinking that whenever I'm looking much more companies, they are mistake their operation silos. Operation silos means that each company departments working independently in an isolation manner. That's created miscommunication as well as misunderstanding and very important revenue loss. For this business success mantra always help them to restructurize their business, organization structure. And due to this organization structure, we reconstruct at the time when we organization structure reconstruct, we see a lacunas in between the organization structure. Lacunas which it is a where is a communication gap, where is a decision delays, where is a proper information flow is a not proper, where is a information flow is a not proper. We look in all these things in one of the organization structure. After that, we correct it and make a desired organization structure. Second common mistake is that every industry depend on manual operations and they are resist strongly to adapt on AI automation, where business success mantra helps them for this adaptation, step-by-step implementation of systems, as well as development of these systems.
That's really eye-opening, Mr. Nihal. And it's interesting to hear how simple yet often overlooked factors can have such a big impact. Great, great. So, looking ahead, what are your key aspirations for the future, Mr. Nihal, both personally and professionally? And also, part B of the question is, as you continue to expand your influence, how do you envision your role in the boardroom, particularly in helping organizations navigate the evolving landscape of business strategy and operations?
Actually, as a board member, my primary goal is introducing AI automation with the company strategies and company governance. That's a very important step here. Because of due to AI automation, our decisions will be more smarter, more faster, as well as very accurate and precise. And that's help any company so much for staying ahead in a market. Second thing is that uh, I'm thinking that these are the digital. I will help any company as a board member. I will help to companies for implementing corporate digital transformation strategies. I'm helping to companies for implementing AI automation. I'm helping to companies for advising more business model is more sustainable and scalable. I'm helping businesses for adapting lean technology and lean management tools and techniques. All these things. As a board member,
Great.
as a board member, I'm thinking that if any company adapt these technologies, then definitely it will be make a market leader.
Absolutely. Absolutely, Mr. Nihal. So, as a leader, how do you see the evolving role of corporate governance in shaping the future of organizations? And what steps do you think companies should take to strengthen their governance frameworks, especially in the context of rapidly changing industries and digital transformation?
Yes. Actually, Sunny, if you see now, then today's work is a very technical, today's era is a very technical era. Actually, technical transformations is a so much fast and that's impacted on businesses too much. If you seen current governance is a not only for a compliances, but also it's a accuracy, transparency, and adaptability with AI automation driven models. I'm thinking that to control agility means risk management. We do a pre-active analysis. That's a very important thing. Second thing is that we take a database decisions. For that, we require to implement system-based workflow and depend on blockchain records. Continuously maintain a blockchain records is a very important. If our workflow is a IoT based, then real-time performance, we will control it. And third is a very important thing that automation. Implementation of automation, that's a very important with if we implement automation with lean principles, then this combination is a very much drastically beneficial. Then this combination is a very much benefited for our industry. With these fundas or with these solutions, you can see that businesses will uh, prevented their losses as well as gain a lot of benefits.
Okay, great. Mr. Nihal, those are truly great points, and it's fascinating to hear your perspective on governance adapting to such rapid changes. Great. Mr. Nihal, you have recently enrolled with Directors Institute, an esteemed platform for leadership and governance. So, let me ask you the last question of this session. What has your experience been so far? And how do you see the knowledge and skills you have gained here contributing to your professional journey, especially in the context of strategic decision making and corporate governance?
Actually, make a part of the Director Institute. That's the game changer decision for me. Because of Director Institute teach me global governance. That's helping me to refine my strategic plannings, as well as Director Institute teach me boardroom leadership ability, as well as new innovative approach for a business sustainability. Hence, this experience teach me how to behave and how to contribute as a board member for any industry. Then this knowledge is a very impactful and very important for me. Plays a very important role for me.
Mr. Nihal, it's great to hear how Directors Institute has shaped your approach. And it sounds like the experience is aligning perfectly with your vision for leadership and governance. Great, great. Let me tell you, Mr. Nihal, it's been a truly insightful conversation today. Your journey, your expertise, and the way you blend strategic thinking with operational excellence are truly, truly inspiring. It's clear that your vision for driving change and fostering innovation is making a meaningful impact. And we are truly grateful for the time you have shared with us and for the valuable lessons that our listeners can take away. So before we wrap up, is there any final thought or message you would like to leave with our audiences today?
Yes, definitely. I want to share one thought with my audience and my friends. This thought is always stay curious, stay innovative, but very most important, never stop evolve.
Rightly said, Mr. Nihal. And thank you once again for being with us on FaceTime with Leaders. It's been a pleasure having you on the show, and we look forward to seeing all the continued success and transformation you bring to the world of business. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
And to our audience, thank you for tuning in, and we'll be back soon with another exciting episode. Till then, take care and have a nice time.